Larry, you have a piece out in the Washington Post that really criticized the Senate version of the tax overhaul for eliminating that individual mandate, because you say literally it would cost thousands of lives. Give us some sense about that, and particularly, if that's right, shouldn't we be increasing how much we spend on health care? Where's the sky on this? Because you could save lives if you spent more.
Well, look, you save lives by causing more people to be insured, because then they get care faster and they get care better, and it works for them. You see that when you look at the phase-ins of expanded health insurance in Massachusetts, in other states. There have now been a variety of studies. Obviously, you've got to do it efficiently and without cost control. But look, I'm citing research done by people who worked in Republican administrations that's been peer-reviewed. And if you take that research literally, it would probably imply 10,000 lives a year. I think there are a lot of qualifications, and it's best to be cautious. So I think my statement that thousands will die in the future is a very conservative estimate of the consequences of this bill, and that's a very serious thing. So I sympathize with the people who worry about the various design issues in Obamacare. I sympathize with the people who think that ultimately we've got to get health care costs under better control, even with the progress we've made in recent years. But it can't be that the right thing to do in the United States is to throw 10 million people out of having health insurance. That is a prescription for more people to die. And look, this isn't a hypothetical thing. It used to be in the United States until 10 or 15 years ago, David, that if you looked at life expectancy for people in the upper part of the income distribution, people like you and I, and people in the lower part of the income distribution, they all move together. And now there's a really sharp divergence. Progress continues for people at the top, and progress has basically stopped for men below average. And that's got to be a sign that focusing on health equity is something that's essential for us to do. And this is just a step right in the wrong direction on that.